Guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to transfer tokens from funding to sport and from sports to funding, from funding to sport in your Binance app. So this is my hamster here, and it's currently at the funding session. You can see that the funding is highlighted, is bolder, is bold. So click on the hamster and click on transfer. You can see transfer below here, below there. So click on transfer. Then you make sure that this part is showing um, funding. This is where the asset is currently. It will be above. You put it above. Then where you want to move it to, you put it here. So it's already set properly. But if it is not set properly, if it's not set properly, what you need to do is to change it by yourself. So it's already set properly here. You click on it and maybe you change it to the one you want to select, but mine is already set properly. So just go ahead and put in the number of tokens you want to send. If it's hamster, maybe it's 100 hamster I want to transfer from my funding to sports wallet, I'll put it here. But if it is everything, all the whole hamster that I have that I want to transfer, this can be any asset too. I'm using hamster as an example. It can be USDT, it can be anything. If it's 100 you want to transfer, if it's everything, you click on max. But if it's not everything you want to transfer, you will impute the value here by yourself. So but it's everything I want to transfer, so I'll click on max. You see it has brought out everything I have, every hamster I have. If it's not hamster you want to transfer, you can make use of this place. Click on this part and choose your asset. For example, if I click on it, you see I can now search for the coin I want to transfer, be it ton, be it USDT, anything at all. So but since it's hamster I want to do, I'll click on max, then I'll click on confirm transfer. Okay, so transfer successful. So let's see. You can see that hamster, this is funding. Hamster is no longer there. You cannot find hamster there because there's nothing in hamster. But if I go to switch to sport, let me switch to this sport here now. If I click on sport, you can see the hamster is showing there because I've transferred it from funding to sport. So the question now is, why should I transfer from funding to sport and from sport to fund, or from sport to funding? If you want sport is, if you want to trade, let's say you have received this your hamster now and you want to trade it, you want to sell it and get dollars, you want to get USDT. Okay, if you want to trade it, you must make sure that that asset is in that asset, be it hamster, be it ton, be it dogs, not coin, any asset at all, any crypto asset you want to any token you want to sell and get USDT and get dollar, then you must transfer it to spot before you go and sell it here. This is where you sell it. Trade, you see where the road trade down here, that's where you go and sell it. So you click on sell. Now when you click on sell, you if it's not, let me go back to wallet. If it's not on, if that asset you want to sell, if it's not on spot, if it is in funding, then you are not going to be able to trade it. You must have transferred it to spot. But I believe that this hamster Kombat particularly, when they deposited they deposited it straight to our spot account already. So you may not need to transfer it to and do transfer again because it should already be there. But I'm just giving you for future occurrence. If you want to, if you are trying to sell a particular asset and it's not working out, it may be that it's because that asset is still in funding. You have not moved it to spot maybe. Then after selling, probably you now have to move that asset, move the USDT you got back to funding for you to now send it out to somebody. Depending on if in your settings you have, that's the way you set it in your settings, that if you want to move assets out of your Binance account, it should be from funding. It may be in your settings, maybe that is in spot, that the default setting is that you only move assets out of your Binance account from spot. So anyways, you want to trade your hamster token, for example, you come to trade. Let's say you're at the home page here and your hamster token is already in spot. You come to trade here, look at trade below. When you click on trade, you click on um, BTC USDT, as you can see. So you click on it because this is not hamster. So click on BTC USDT. When you click on it, you now search in this search bar. Search in this search bar, look for hamster. Type hamster. HAMS. Okay, saying no results found. Just type HMST. Okay, no record found yet, but definitely it's going to come up. It's going to come up soon. Hamster USDT. It's going to come up soon though. So, but that's how you do it. When you click on this part, this BTC USDT, you have to change it to the asset you want to sell. Let's say it's dogs I want to sell now. I'll just type dogs, DOG, dogs. As you can see, it's showing dogs USDT. Okay, and you click on it, it has changed. You click on I accept. Just accept. Just click on yes, I am aware that tokens marked with seed are likely to have. Yes, I'm aware that I might incur losses. If you encounter losses, who will be responsible for bearing the losses? I will be responsible. Just click all these things I clicked and then click on I accept the terms of use and confirm. So now, the way I change it from BTC USDT to dogs now, that's the way you're going to change it from whatever asset is showing here to hamster. HMSTR, hamster Kombat USDT. That's what will be showing here when you want to trade your assets. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is you are going to switch to sell. You are going to switch over to sell. So you click on sell. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to change it from limit to market. Make sure you do all these things. So click on limit. You can see market here. So change it to market. Okay, just click yes. It was helpful. Yes below. All right, so next thing you want to do is look at this stuff here. You need to drag it to the end because it's everything you want to sell. If it's not every of your hamster you want to sell, in this, remember that in this case I'm using dogs as an example. So if it's not everything you want to sell, just type in the amount of hamster you want to sell. Let's say you have 300 hamster and you want to sell only 200. Just type 200 here. No need to drag this thing. No need to drag it to the end. But if you want to sell everything, if it's everything you want to sell, just drag it to the end. I'm going to drag it now so you see. So I'll drag. Are you seeing how I drag it? Are you seeing how I have dragged it like this now? So as I've dragged it to the end, I will now click sell dogs. When you now click sell dogs, it will now show you something. It will now show you confirm. You are now going to click confirm, or you are going to click sell. Anything it shows you, just confirm or sell. And that is how you are going to sell your hamster token to USDT. That's how you are going to sell it to USDT. So immediately on Thursday 26th, when it lists, you can also use this. This also works for any asset you want to sell. So immediately it lists on that Thursday, and my hamster now has a price attached to it. That means you can now sell your hamster. So you come and do all this process I just explained now. You first of all, you change it from whatever asset is showing here, you change it to hamster USDT. The next thing is that you switch it from buy to sell. The next thing is that you change it from limit to market. Make sure it's market that is showing here. Then you impute the amount of hamster you want to sell. But if it's everything you want to sell, all your hamster you want to sell, there's no need typing anything here. Just drag this thing to the end. But if it's not everything you want to sell, if you have typed the amount you want to sell here, amount of hamster you want to sell here, don't drag this thing to the end again. so that it will not sell everything. But if it's everything you want to sell, no need to type, just drag everything to the end, then you click sell dogs and then confirm. And the next thing you will see in your wallet, when you go back to your wallet, the next thing you are going to see is no longer hamster here. It will now be USDT that will be showing here. And then with the price, the reason why it's showing $0 here is because hamster does not have a price yet. So if hamster have a price now, you'll be seeing the amount of that this 358 hamster token is worth. So once you sell it, once you have sold your hamster, what you'll be seeing is no longer hamster here. You will now be seeing USDT, and the amount of USDT maybe is $10 or $20 or $50, $100, depending on your hamster allocation and the price at which you sold. So this basically, then you can now go ahead and do your P2P, sell to a vendor. You can sell to a vendor, somebody who buys USDT for naira, like I do. Some of you know I do. So you send me the USDT if you want to, and I'll send you your naira. Okay, so that's how it works. I believe you have learned it now.